So we decided to stop for a minute. Dude, guys, check this out. Look at that. Double rainbow all the way across. Double rainbow! Oh my God! Welcome back to the garage, guys. Today, we're gonna do some driving up Risk Canyon. As you can see, my sister's in front of me in the Miata. She's gonna totally kick our butts at this because her car can handle way better than mine, but I figure, why not do something fun? I've been waiting on some friends to make some other videos with newer cars, but yeah, I hate myself.
I mean, I hate myself too, it's okay.
This is Matt, by the way. He's one of my buddies from New Orleans. I met him on, right, you're from New Orleans?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I don't know where he's from, but I met him on Xbox. We played Call of Duty together. He came out to visit.
JDM 180SX.
Yeah.
I either want a 180SX or a 240. That'd be my ideal, like,
240s are so nice, man. They're cheap too.
Dream drift.
Yeah.
I found some from JDM imports that are like, right now they're at like 10 grand.
Should downshift here. Sorry.
There you go. No, but like I found some 240s from JDM imports for like 10 grand to 15 grand, depending on which like spec and color you want.
Nice.
And I was like, I'll just get the piece model and just put 5 grand that I was gonna spend on the extra version to upgrade myself.
Absolutely. That's nice, man.
And like with the 240, like you don't necessarily like want a wide body kit, but you want like the extended fender flares.
Yeah. No, I've seen those kits they put on and they're cool.
Yeah.
I like the whine of this transmission. Kind of sounds like a rock crusher.
You ever been to Japan?
No, man. I've never. The only place I've been out of the country is Mexico.
They got some crazy mountains.
Oh yeah. Well, DK, the drift king lives there. Is it smart to be up here with lightning?
Not really.
Huh.
There was a Jeep right there.
Yeah.
Because you're at the highest point.
Yeah.
And then the car. Let's say after 2014, everything production at Ford, they switched to aluminum.
Oh really? This is all aluminum.
Yeah. Because, I mean, yeah, it might get damaged easier, but it's a fraction of the cost.
It is.
Makes it lighter.
It cracks though, so I remember when they switched and having that conversation with my dad, who does paint for repair shops and stuff, and the debate was whether or not they're as they have strong integrity as.
Because at the time my dad ran 4 dealerships down there until he got a better job offer for Toyota.
Yeah.
So that's where he's at now. And he was like, man, like I don't want to, but I'm gonna have to order a whole bunch of new equipment just for these fucking aluminum bodies.
Oh yeah.
And I was like, it sucks. And then after Hurricane, what was it? It was the one that hit Florida.
Was it Irene or something like that?
It was like, it started with an I, I did that for sure. But as soon as like they got hit, the Ford dealership down there sent him the limited edition, one of the California special GT500s.
Oh, nice.
It was racing yellow.
Oh god, I love that color.
And I was like, can I drive it around the block?
Did he let you?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
And then I was like, can I have it? And he was like, that's $75,000 right there.
Right, dude, this thing would be great with coilovers on it. That's definitely the next thing I'm buying.
Where'd you get this car?
I got it in Phoenix. We used to live in Arizona, right? And it was some kid had bought it, 15,000 miles on it, and he's like, I don't want it. I think it was like too scary for me. I mean, these things are pretty torquey, you know?
Yeah. Especially manual. Some people don't like the power.
Yeah. I mean, obviously you can feel we're at almost 8,000 feet and it's running like this, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, so he sold it, got it for 9 grand, I think.
What?
Yeah, dude.
That's a steal.
I know. And that's how all their cars are. And it was an Alaska car, so it had sat in a garage for 6 months out of the year. They had messed up the brakes on it. This whole car would vibrate when you just tap the brakes. But luckily, my mom owned a mechanic shop at the time. She owned a Meineke Car Care Center. that's fun.
Mexico, and Vietnam.
What did you do down in Mexico?
I just went for vacation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. The dream location to go right now is Kuwait.
Kuwait? Why?
Because it's a vacation. Because you literally just go there and you just sit and you can go to the beach, you can go to Starbucks if you want.
That's nice. So you enlisted right when you were 18?
No.
They pay for your school? Did you do school?
So what they do is they pay for your base tuition, but you have to cover the fees. But then it pretty much evens out because you get the GI Bill if you qualify, and they give you like an extra like $300 to $400 a month.
Oh wow! Nice.
While you're in school.
That's really nice.
So basically, you have to pay like those fees up front, and then you get it back.
Oh, this. Yeah, that would have sucked to take fast.
The new Ford Fusions, they actually have pothole detectors.
No, they don't.
They do.
That is so cool. But that's just another piece of technology that would break.
Yeah. No. So the way it is like it uses the sensing. It senses it up front, and then it basically tightens the shocks. Whoa. So the tire basically skips over the pothole.
Wow. That's really cool.
Like they got some pretty cool stuff.
Power into it.
I just want to buy a Tesla, cut it, and just fucking.
So you have like an S or something. So you have that real high horsepower, low weight.
Yeah. Get a roadster.
That S, I saw someone do that with an S where they gutted it and it beat a ZL1, new ZL1. I mean, I just feel like that'd be scary because it's instant horsepower. You know, there's no 4,000 RPM max peak for horsepower. It's just like
it's instant, but the thing is, it just kills the battery.
Yeah.
Like you probably get around like 5 races. That's it.
That's what they were saying. It was like he said I'll get 3 to 4 depending on how long the races are, if I'm remembering correctly, which was really cool. But kind of sucked. What do I have these? I wish Caleb had his Evo, so he could have come up with us.
He was in it last weekend.
Was he?
Yeah.
Feel those G's when you
going down?
Yeah, that's cool. Probably hit like a G, honestly, at that point. Well, the big one, remember?
Yeah.
That one probably was about a G. This thing hits a G from acceleration. I checked it on telemetry.
Nice.
Just from first gear to second.
See, like, and I'm seeing like sometimes on the road, like they got the. Because if there's enough dirt to just kick up the tire.
I'm not realizing we're going like 65 around these turns. Because I'm like, why is my second so high or rev right now? And the bottom of second is 60, you know?
Yeah. Whenever I went to Los Angeles, I stayed with my aunt and them in Calabasas.
Yeah.
Like I took some beautiful pictures with the mountains and everything.
Oh, I believe
it. And then I went and hiked one. And then we went cliff jumping. Oh. And then on the way back, this family decided to wander off the path, and this girl got bit by a rattlesnake.
Oh no.
So like they had like 5 fire trucks come.
I haven't replaced the brakes on this thing in 6 years. I just checked them today. Like pulled them all off the rotor and stuff and everything.
Oh my god. Are they fine?
They're fine. There's 50% left on them. Maybe a little more. Not after this. But
yeah. That's what I gotta do when I get back. I gotta replace my brakes.
Oh yeah. That's easy.
Yeah.
Brakes are easy. It took us like 15 minutes to do that.
But since I'm gonna replace my brakes and everything, I'm gonna paint my calipers.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I should have painted mine red. My dad has that, you know, the Torino's red?
Yeah.
He has some of that paint left over that I could use to paint them. That's what we did to my Beetle on the drums.
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah. Looks good.
Yeah. No, but, cause like my car's like, it's all shine crystalline black.
Oh, and yeah, that would be cool.
I have green accents. Like I redid all the Honda logos and they're neon green. I did the Honda logos on the rims. I did that neon green as well.
Oh, cool.
And then so I was gonna do the calipers neon green as well.
I almost want to do like a yellow on this for the calipers. I think that'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
Because you know the red, I feel like you wouldn't notice it as much.
Yeah, you want something that pops.
Yeah. Like gold. I went to Arizona State, so maroon and gold are the colors. Oh.
Saw, dude. Saw, dude.
What the f? I was like, I looked at it.
Just don't jump in front.
I know, I thought it was a a sign for a second. God, it's a deer. It scared the living out. I was like, oh no, we're going way.
Yeah, we got a brand new hood ornament. We're heading back.
Yay. And there's an airbag recall on this. That's the only thing that makes me nervous about driving up like this up here.
Yeah,
is a deer, and then you know hit neck shrapnel or something.
Yeah. So you never went and got your airbags replaced?
No, I need to.
As soon as I got the recall and notice from my sisters, I brought it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go do that next week. I just need to fix the truck.
Yeah.
Skirt, skirt, skirt.
Slid a little there.
It's on the paint, that's why. Yeah, the paint.
But like anytime I go to like a drift meet or anything, I always spend like $400 tires. That $400 on tires that weekend.
I believe it.
Because I just burn them up.
Yeah.
It's fun.
It is fun,
but
man.
it's like it's such an expensive hobby.
This thing, if you get it right, it'll just cut the ass out. Because I don't know, I think the weight distribution on this is like 4850, so it's pretty close to even.
Yeah.
But you can just get it to go. They're torquey. 70 around to 25. How's that sound?
Hello.
I'm glad I slowed down. Just see the sky and then oh surprise, grade 3.
It's like, I don't know where I'm going, left, right, and straight or off the cliff.
So we decided to stop for a minute. Dude, guys, check this out. Look at that. Double rainbow all the way across. Double rainbow! Oh my God! It's so stupid. Look at that, man. That's beautiful. It's a gorgeous after rain image. You can see the fires burning through Colorado. Beautiful.
It smells a little smoky.
A little smoky.
The smoky smoke.
So we're gonna head home now, guys, all right? All right, guys, thanks so much for watching Dirt's Backyard Garage. If you haven't subscribed already, consider giving us a subscribe and a like if you like this content. We'll see you next time back here at the garage.